In '84, watching the world go by. My brothers and me just shooting the breeze. Our friend came by and said, truck drivers we need. Oh, we hauled from the quarry to Big Stone in a Mack truck, feeling so strong. First one in Virginia, Sam Walton's name. Didn't care about the pay, just playing the game. 6-speed Maxidine 283, steering wheel holder, that was me. Let's go, little brother, lead the way. Safety in their eyes, watching me all day. Oh, oh, we hauled from the quarry to Big Stone in a Mack truck, feeling so strong. First one in Virginia, Sam Walton's name. Didn't care about the pay, just playing the game. Blowout on a rock, had to park it tight. Brothers kept hauling, working through the night. Fueling up the tanks, no flats in sight. Ready for a beer, food and love's delight. Oh, we hauled from the quarry to Big Stone in a Mack truck, feeling so strong. First one in Virginia, Sam Walton's name. Didn't care about the pay, just playing the game. Now I'm older, setting my ways. Seen the workforce change in so many ways. Trouble is in the air, don't understand. Cut them down, get the upper hand. Oh, we hauled from the quarry to Big Stone in a Mack truck, feeling so grown. First one in Virginia, Sam Walton's name. Didn't care about the pay, just